Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to access and use the web pages on teachcandy.com for spelling lessons. So obviously log on to teachcandy.com and log into your account. When you're ready, we get started. And when you go to the main page that has all the different categories that you can go into on teachcandy.com, what you want to do is find the spelling one here and click on that. There are well over 78 different lessons, and they're set up into 5 different groupings. So word family endings that have the vowel A in it, word family endings with E, I, O, and of course U. Let's just take a look at A, for example. And so you'll find all the different categories here for word family endings with A as the vowel. Let's click on the first one for at. And all of the spelling pages, regardless of what topic word family ending it is, they're all set up in the same standard way. So you've got a little blank space with instructions to draw your own picture and label it in the blank space for each student's workbook. So a student would work in a workbook or on a piece of paper that's lined and has a blank space at the top to draw their picture. Write their date, write their title, and copy the 6 words that go in. So all of them have the word family at the ending. We try to make them CVC words where we can, but sometimes we have digraphs in the front, or sometimes they're 4 letters or 5 letters long. I also give some bonus words for higher level kids. And then you'll find the video on how to use the Play-Doh over top of the letters, and actually also the PDF that you can print off and then use with Play-Doh. There's also a video lesson on how to use the workbook. So I instruct students to, put the title and the date, set up their page with their numbers, put their lines that go after the numbers, put their word family endings after the lines, and then add in the missing letter at the beginning. And lastly, illustrate a picture that is an at word family. In this case, a bat is what I'm drawing. So the instructional video shows the kids how to do each step. You'll also find that there's a word stretch video, maybe a word search. Down below that, there's storybooks and other videos that have that particular word family, and even a link to ChatGTP unless you want to try something different, like creating a poem with at words, for example. And again, each and every word family ending is set up exactly the same way. You will also find for each vowel ending a set of assessments, so the all levels one, or specifically for children who are at emergent level, developing level, proficient level, or extending level. And that's for each one of the 5 different vowel inclusion endings. And again, you'll find multiple lessons. There's 19 lessons with A, 12 with E, 18 with I, 12 with O, 15 with U. And so in a given week, I'll usually do a spelling lesson on a Tuesday and say a Thursday, and then alternate the phonics lessons on the Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.